Welcome to this meditation. Welcome to a new year. Today, you are taking a moment for yourself, a valuable moment to start this year on the right foot. This is your first meditation of the year, an opportunity to reconnect with yourself, set your intentions, and embrace with serenity all that this new year has to offer. Sit comfortably. Find a position where you feel at ease, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel your lungs filling with air, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Once more, take a deep breath in. Let go of all tension as you exhale gently. This moment is for you, a moment to celebrate the beginning of this year and reconnect with yourself. Today marks the start of a new year. Before moving forward, let's take a moment to honor the year that has passed. Pause to zeros. Imagine this past year as a book. That book is sitting in front of you. Perhaps it is filled with happy memories, challenges, or important lessons. Take a moment to thank this year for everything it has brought you. With each exhale, release any tension, regrets, or anything that no longer serves you. Let these emotions fade away gently. Imagine yourself closing that book with respect. Watch it disappear into a soft, comforting light. Now, turn your attention to this day, the first day of this new year. In front of you, a path unfolds, a path that is clear, bright, and welcoming. Take a first step onto this path. Feel the lightness, the freedom, and the excitement of starting something new. Gently repeat in your mind, I am ready for this new year. I am filled with gratitude and courage. Each day is a new opportunity. Now take a moment to reflect on your intentions for this year. What would you like to achieve? What would you like to feel? Visualize your intentions as small seeds held in your hands. Gently plant them into the fertile ground in front of you. Watch them grow, slowly, with love and care. Mentally repeat, today, I plant the seeds of my transformation. I am ready to move forward with serenity. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Begin to gently move your fingers and toes. Stretch if you feel the need. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Feel filled with gratitude and prepared to embrace this year with serenity and confidence.